earlier.
Why don't I get out of the room, woman, and get out from under my feet?
Oh, shut
I
your
always
morning up. I'm
clean
trying to
it.
get cleaned up. I only did it 10 minutes ago.
When are you going to go? A new bloody Hoover? They've done it about 20 years. Jesus
There's not wrong with this
Christ.
Hoover. We can't afford to buy a new one.
Never mind that. Go on and sit. Do it.
Why don't you go?
I'm busy.
Hang on. Hello? What do you want?
Hello, madam. I'm from Johnson's. I'm in the area. I know what you're going to say. I'm not selling anything. I just want you to feel the quality.
Oh, I don't want any.
Look at the quality. Just feel the quality.
Oh,
This
well.
is the self-assessing Hoover. You may have read about it.
Oh, well, I haven't, I think.
Going
Madam,
on here? We don't want no tea. We don't want no coffee. We don't want no windows.
sir, I'm not trying to sell anything. I have just come to demonstrate my Johnson's self-assessing Hoover.
Is it Hoover?
It's a
What's
Hoover.
wrong with this one?
This carpet,
Just-
madam,
just
this
wait a
carpet
minute.
is filthy.
Just tell me more about this.
Oh, we don't need any Hoover.
You shut up a minute. Now then, son, tell me more about this.
I'm not here to tell you anything. I'm just here to tell you this amazing Johnson's self-assessing Hoover.
They take credit cards.
Sir, like I say, I'm not here to sell anything. I want this machine. It's top of the class. I just want to show you how it works.
Well, if you want to buy this, you conduct bloody over and get off your fat arse. Leave them ferrets alone and get it done.
I don't want to create any tensions or get a divorce. I just want to show off my Hoover. It's brilliant, tell me. And your carpets, madam, they're filthy.
In there, son. Go on.
It's got tetradynamic lighting system, thermodynamic Eritrean solder points here. And Decepticons round the back. Yes, it's
Has it got TCP in it?
Hurry up, son. I've got to feed ferrets in a bit. Get cups of tea, will you?
sir, I'm only selling it for you because this is, well, I'm not selling them. But I'll put it on. Did you hear that? It sounds like a Rolls Royce, sir, doesn't it? I think that's 40 years a day, that's getting it. 40 years a day. Just from the date. That's just 40 years a day,
Well,
that's
it
it.
don't smell like dust to me.
No.
Well,